Once again, we're at Panama Elementary, home of the Yellow Jackets, and we've got fifth grader Gabby with us. How are you today?
Good.
Feeling Gabby? Okay. Silly also, right? Come on, turn around this way and let's work on a problem, okay? Are you ready?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, here, what we'll do is I'm going to tell you a little problem, and you're going to write down any information that you think is going to be relevant or important to the problem, okay? We're working, obviously, in fifth grade, and this is going to be under the domain number and operations in base 10. All righty? Okay. Do you have a best friend?
Yeah.
What is their name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine? That is Monet's sister's name also. Anyway, we'll continue. All right? Jasmine has a puppy that weighs 4.5 pounds. Okay? Do you think you need anything there so far?
Yeah.
What do you think you need to write down?
How much pounds her dog is?
Okay, and how many pounds was that?
4.5.
Okay, if you want to put that down. So Jasmine has this puppy, and the puppy weighs 4.5 pounds, all right? That was during August, okay? In September and October, the puppy gained 18.63 pounds. Anything you think you need to know now? What?
It gained 18.6.
3 pounds. All right, so the 18.63, we're going to need that number also, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the problem again really quickly, all right, up to the point that we're at, all right? Jasmine is your friend's name, right? And Jasmine has a puppy. Does she really have a puppy? Yeah? Okay. Well, in August, the puppy weighed 4.5 pounds, all right? During September and October, Jasmine fed this puppy a lot of food, and it gained 18.63 pounds, all right? The question is, how much did the puppy weigh at the end of October? That's the question. So what do you think you'll need to do?
Add them together.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and show me how you would do that? And what did you come up with?
19.8.
Well, it said 19.08, right? Now think about this, all right? What I want you to do is we're going to look at this logically, okay? You had 18, right? And you added 4 more. So if you had 18 and you added 4 more, do you think you'd end up at 19? So what do you think we need to fix here? Because something happened. You lined up the numbers and you carried when you had the 10. But what do you think we need to do here to fix this?
Add 18 plus 4.
And what is 18 plus 4?
22.
22. So we know the answer's got to be somewhere around 22, right? But the way it's written here came up with 19, 190, and 8. So how do you think we can rewrite this? Because the numbers we have both have decimals in them, right? So how would we line up decimals? Think about money. If this was 4.5, do you know what that would be in terms of money maybe?
$4.05.
Almost, $4.50, right? So instead of leaving it at 4.5, that would be the same as 4.50. All right, so why don't you write the 18.63 again over there. And what we'll do now is instead of leaving it at 4.5, we'll do 4.50. So how would you write that now? And the reason we did that, do you know why we rewrote that like that? Well, you want the same number of spaces after the decimal, place values, okay? Here you have 2 values, two places after this decimal point, right? And here you would need 2 also. So if there's nothing there, you can fill it in with a 0. Good with that? Okay, so what are we going to do with these 2 numbers now?
Add them.
Add them. So go ahead and add those. And what'd you come up with?
23.13.
And is that close to the 22 that you estimated it to be? Because when we just did the whole numbers, it was 22, right? And 4.5, right? And 18.6. So we add all of this, you get another 1.3. 22 plus
3.
right? And there you've got the 6 and 5 is 11. Carry. 9 and 4 is 13. Carry. So how much did Jasmine's puppy weigh at the end of all of this?
23.13
What?
pounds.
That wasn't that hard, was it? Okay.